Have you ever wondered about the invisible orchestra within our bodies, conducting a symphony of hormonal activity? This complex network, known as the endocrine system, plays a crucial role in our bodily functions and overall well-being. Let's delve into this fascinating world and explore the functions of each gland in the endocrine system. First up, we have the hypothalamus. Nestled within the brain, this maestro produces hormones that control the release of hormones from the pituitary gland. It's also responsible for regulating body temperature, hunger, and thirst. Next, we have the pituitary gland, often hailed as the master gland. It secretes several hormones that regulate other endocrine glands, growth, and reproduction. Its repertoire includes growth hormone, which stimulates growth and development, and oxytocin, which aids in childbirth and breastfeeding. The thyroid gland takes center stage next. It's the powerhouse that regulates metabolism, energy production, and body temperature. The main hormones it produces are thyroxine, or T4, and triiodothyronine, T3. Our tour now takes us to the parathyroid glands. These glands secrete parathyroid hormone, or PTH, which plays a vital role in regulating calcium levels in the blood and bone. Next, we have the adrenal glands. These glands are the body's stress responders, producing hormones like cortisol for stress response, adrenaline for fight or flight response, and aldosterone to regulate blood pressure and electrolyte balance. The pancreas, our next stop, secretes insulin, which lowers blood sugar, and glucagon, which raises blood sugar, to regulate blood glucose levels. The pineal gland, our next destination, produces melatonin, which regulates sleep-wake cycles and circadian rhythms. The thymus gland, another crucial player, produces hormones that play a role in the development and function of the immune system. In females, the ovaries produce estrogen and progesterone, which regulate the menstrual cycle, pregnancy, and secondary sexual characteristics. In males, the testes produce testosterone, which regulates sperm production, muscle mass, and secondary sexual characteristics. Each of these hormones has a specific target organ or tissue where it exerts its effects. For example, insulin acts on muscle and fat cells to promote glucose uptake, while cortisol helps the body respond to stress by increasing blood sugar levels. In conclusion, the endocrine system is an intricate network of glands that produce and release hormones. These chemical messengers regulate various bodily functions, from metabolism and growth to reproduction, mood, and stress response. Understanding the roles of these hormones and their effects on the body is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. So, next time you marvel at the complexity of the human body, remember the endocrine system, the silent conductor orchestrating this harmonious symphony of life.